Hey guys, welcome to my video. This video I'm talking about how to make your own Discord bot. We're going to be talking about how to make your own ticket bot for Discord. You will need, of course, node.js, get the LTS version, which is long-term support. You also need Visual Studio Code, which you can download right here. Now you want to open up Visual Studio Code and head over to wherever it is. Make a new folder. Name this episode 4 ticket bot. And you select folder. You'll need make a file named index.js, terminal, new terminal. Alright, start out npm init, name it ticket bot, and then everything else doesn't really matter. Npm install discord.js, yeah, and nmap --save. There you go. Now you do const discord equals require discord.js, so import discord, const client equals new discord.client, and just leave that normal, and then const nmap equals require nmap. We're going to be using nmap to store some variables and stuff into a database. Now there's one more thing you need to install. You need to do npm install better SQLite 3 and --save. Now if you're having issues installing better SQLite, which compiles and everything on your computer, you want to go to their GitHub. This will be linked in the description, and it'll have troubleshoot installation, tell you a few things that you might need to do in order to get it working. So now that's installed, let's do const settings equals new nmap, and then name, let's name this settings, auto fetch true, clone level deep, and fetch all true. Now we need to do client on ready, console.log ready. Let's also make a config, so config.json. Inside of here we need token, and we need prefix. Next up, we can do up here, we need to import the config. Oops. Const token comma prefix equals require /config.json. Now we can do client.login, token, and client.on message, async message. Alright, so we got our basic bot. Now we need to implement the command handler and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and do if message.author.bot return if message.content.index of prefix does not equal 0 return, and then we need to do const args equals message.content.slice prefix.length.trim .split /+/g const command equal args.shift.to lowercase. Now let's create our first command. So if command equals ticket setup, this is how we're going to set up the ticket. We're going to do so the way they're going to use this command is ticket setup, and then they mention the channel they want it to be in, or the ticket message to be in. So what you can do is you can do if message, let's make a variable for this to make it easier. So let channel equal message.mentions.channels.first, and then if there is no channel, return message.reply usage ticket setup hashtag channel. Alright, so next up what we need to do is we need to send the ticket message. So channel.send new discord it's message embed. This just makes it look a bit nicer, so let's do .set title. Let's name this ticket system, and then I'll do .set description, react to open a ticket, and .set footer, should name this ticket system, and lastly .set color. Let's do a nice green, so there you go. And then we need to do let send equals await. Next we need to save this into the settings, so settings.set, and to make this work in multiple guilds we need to do message.guild.id dash ticket, and what we need to do, it is equal to sent.id, and then that should do message.channel.send ticket system setup done. Lastly here we need to do send.react and the ticket emoji, which I'm gonna do what's it called? Let's do a ticket. So there's that part done. Now we need to actually get the ticket done. So I'm gonna introduce you into a new event. Client.on message reaction add, and there's two things. There's async reaction user. So what this event does is it fires this event every single time someone adds a reaction to a message. So first of all, we need to first, before we do this, we're gonna need to enable partials. Basically, partials allow these events to be emitted even if the message isn't cached. So we need to do up here, we need to do partials channel. If I recall correctly, for message reaction add, we need message, of course. We're gonna need user and reaction. That should be it. And now we do if user.partial await user.fetch, if if reaction.partial await reaction.fetch, if reaction.message.partial await reaction.message.fetch. Now we need to make sure that a bot didn't that it isn't a bot who added the or who reacted. So we do if user.bot return. Now we need to make sure that this guild has ticket set up. So let's do let ticket ID equals await settings dot get. And you do reaction dot message dot guild dot ID dash ticket, since that's how we named it up there. If there is no ticket ID, then return. Now we need to make sure that the message ID is same as the one that they reacted to. So if reaction.message.id is equal to ticket ID, and we need to make sure that it's the reaction thing that we sent. So and reaction.emoji.name equals ticket. Then we're in this if. Okay, so now we need to. So one thing that's optional is make it remove your reaction when you add it, so it looks kind of like this. Looks like what you see on screen right now. So this is completely optional. You don't have to include this part, but we have to do reaction.users.remove user Next up, we need to actually make the channel. So reaction.message.guild.channels.create. We'll name this ticket dash user dot username. Then we need to do some options here. So we need to do permission overrides. This sets the permissions. Alright, it's like this, and then open that up and then like that. Okay, so ID is user.id allow. They should be able to send messages and read or view channel. We also need to ID equals reaction.message.guild.roles.everyone, and they should not deny view channel. Lastly, we need to do type is text. And if you want to make it a certain category, you can do parent and the category ID, but that's optional. So next we need to do a .then. So once the channel is created, let's make this a sync. So now we need to do we need to send in a channel. Welcome to your ticket. So channel.send new Discord, or ping the user first. So at $user.id, and then over here, comma, new Discord.message embed. Set title. Let's name this welcome to your ticket. Let's set description. We will be with you shortly. And let's set color. Just name this another green. And there you go. That's our basic ticket system. Now we need to make a close command. So we have to do if command equals close. Then we need to make sure that's a ticket channel. So if channel or message channel.name that includes ticket dash. So we name the ticket dash, so every single ticket will have this in front of it, so we just make sure that it has it. If it does not, then return message .channel.send. You cannot use that here. Now if they do have permission, let's just make it so I just close the ticket. So message.channel.delete, and there's your close command, and that should be it. So now we need to get our bot token. So you go to discord.com/developers. You hit new application, whatever you want, hit create. Once you have that created, it should be on something just like this. You go over to bot, and then you create a bot, and then you do whatever you want to it. You click on this copy token button, and then you put it into there. And then you go to OAuth 2, go to bot, administrator, or whatever permissions you want, and then copy this and paste it in, and you will invite your bot anywhere. So now we just need to test the bot. Let's do node dot. Well, for testing purposes, I'm gonna set the prefix to something else just because I have another bot listening on that prefix. So I'm just gonna do dash. Ready? All right. So head over to Discord. If I go over down to my testing channels, dash ticket setup, hashtag testing channel 2. Ticket setup done. You go over here. You have a React thing. You click on it. and then it pings you and opens the ticket. So there's your basic ticket bot. Let's try close. It deletes it. Perfect. Now if I do close in this channel, it shouldn't delete it. You cannot use that here. So that's your basic ticket bot. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next video. And if you need help, join my Discord, link in the description right here, code central. You get channels come at Discord.js. Do not use Java. Java is not JavaScript. So yeah, have a good day. Subscribe, please. Subscribe. Oh, and one last thing, you'll be able to find all this code in the GitHub I've linked in the description.